So I want to say mahalo to Keakua for bringing us all here safe. And take us home to our destinations when it's all over. Oh, in case you don't know what I have in my hand, it's a ukulele. Who doesn't know what a ukulele is? Its 4 strings sound good, and if you can play, I recommend you try. I'm taken to a place above Lanakila, a place called Aleva Heights. Aloha, kuipo, kuoho makamona na nohania kuahi. Here's the Wahine. Here's come the uncle. Here's